Hey, my name is Alejandro Fernandez. I am going to tell about my summer holidays. Firstly, I am going to tell about my activities in Jaili. I have studied English in a academy, science. Also, I meet with my friends every day in a parks. Moreover, I visited exotic beach as Costa Ballena and Rota while I was doing surfing. In August, my family and me traveled to Madrid for 2 weeks. We were able to visit the Santiago Bernabéu Stadium. It was a big, spectacular place. Moreover, we discovered the Prados Museum. In this place, we saw the same pictures. I liked the contemporary art. Finally, I am going to some all things with my friends in September, and I have that we have a lot of funny and amazing moments. I feel very sad because the college will start soon.